Question 16. Work out the value of 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4 times 2.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Give your answer in standard form. So these two numbers here are already in a standard form. Remember, standard form is a number between 1 and 10, but not 10. And then times, and then a power of 10. So they're both in standard form. So on the calculator, and I've just tried it, I'm going to simply type it in. So I type in exactly as I see it, 7.5 times 10 to the power of... Oh, hang on, I don't want to do that. There's a button here that actually does it for you. So times 10 to the power of 4, close that bracket, times by, open a bracket, 2.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Incidentally, if I did write times 10 to the power of, it still would work. It's just that it has its own dedicated button. So, work that out. And it gives you an answer like that in full. So it is 1875, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So check that carefully because it's very easy to make a mistake. 1875 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now, to get this into standard form, we need to get the number between 1 and 10. So that would be 1.875, taking these digits here. We don't need all the zeros. Right, times by 10. And then, just think to yourself, how many times would you have to times this number by 10 to get that? Well, if the decimal point was here, well, it is there. You times it by 10 once to get there. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Because every time you multiply by 10, the decimal place moves to the right. I know technically it doesn't. Technically the numbers move, but for a test, don't worry about it. So it's times 10 to the power of 8. And that's your answer.